2019 Toyota Highlander. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.